These are the steps of proper hand washing. Number 1. Wet hands and arms. Use running water as hot as you can. It should be at least 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius. Number 2. Apply soap. Apply enough to build a good lather. Number 3. Scrub hands and arms vigorously. Scrub them for 10 to 15 seconds. Clean under fingernails and between finger. Number 4. Rinse hands and arms thoroughly. Use running water. Number 5. Dry hands and arms. Use a single-use paper towel or a warm air hand dryer.